Hello, in this video, I will show you how to use Spacedesk with USB. The first thing you must do is to download and install Spacedesk. Just open your browser, click here, and then type in Spacedesk. Click on the first link. Here, you need to download the drivers for your computer. Then download the driver. And here, select the driver that is compatible with your computer system. Normally, Windows 11 64-bit is the most common one. And after installing your computer, the other thing is to go on your Android or iOS store. If it's Android, go on Google Play Store, then look for Spacedesk and then install it into your phone. And then once after you install it in your phone, then you can open the program. You have to go under control, and under control go where it says communication interface. Here, that's where you select. If you're using an Android, then you have to enable USB cable Android. And if you're using iOS, then go on iOS, then use cable on iOS. Connect to your phone and automatically it will display on your phone. You can either want to mirror the displays or extend it. Just go on your settings and then go to system, then display, then you can choose here. And you're done.